Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can blur moving objects like a pro on CapCut PC. Select the video that you want, maybe this one. Then you're going to copy and paste it. On the second one, go to effects and add in blur. Select it and add it to the second video. You can adjust how blurry you want the video to be. Select the video on the top one. Go to mask and select any shape that you want. Maybe you want to blur the person's face. Then you're just going to feather it out so the edge isn't super harsh. Add in keyframe, and frame by frame you're going to track the person and just move the mask where the head is. I'm not going to do everything, but that is pretty much it. You can do this to other objects as well. Maybe you want to blur out an information on your package in a video and stuff like that. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.